Right guys, welcome back. Hope you had a cracking weekend. How good was Saturday? You'll probably recognise this route from the field that you parked in. If you parked and paid £5, well done. I did. All these people that parked on sides when it said no parking, please don't park. But we'll park anyway, because I'm tired and I don't want to pay £5. So, DH3, here we go. So I've parked up this one, so as you saves me walking all the way up the trail past Steel City. So yeah, let me know in comments if you've got your own videos that you want to add in comments for Saturday's event. Perfect day, wasn't it? Perfect weather. Some awesome action. I just can't believe how big the event. It's been 3 years, probably why, but yeah, a lot bigger turnout than I expected. It was awesome, absolutely loved it. So as you can see here, I'm at the top of DH3. So as before guys, keep your tyres off. A lot of you have asked for this video, which I intended to do anyway, which I'll also be doing pub run, but as you can see I'm up here, top of DH3, trail closed. Alright, so as before, I won't be touching the track. So we get the top, see what's happening, see how much they've got completed. I know from talking to one at builders that the steel, which you can tell because the amount of work that's gone into it is just phenomenal, it did take them a lot longer than anticipated, with mainly I think 3 or 4, apologies if it's 4, working on steel. So I think they've gone over time, spent more time on that than anticipated. So I don't know how far DH3 is. I didn't have a look on Saturday at all. I planned on leaving it to enjoy the event. Alright, starting here, looking back up. Nice start. Nice little rollers. Obviously ride Sheffield. Awesome job guys at the weekend. I know it's a lot of man hours. You guys have done an awesome job. But this orange stuff I think will do the trick, keep people off it. That's what I want to see. You're getting through that, are you? Tabletop or a gap, not a gap, but you can see JP down bottom there is so first feature looks like it's going to be a shallow double. Again, awesome for my skill level. Coming into first. Right on burn. Yeah, it's very wet. We had a lot of rain last night. A lot of rain. So you can see already, this is the original DH3, big berm, kicking you straight down to the left over this double, which obviously is rollable. Nice left side berm. Again, look how much this has grown over during COVID. And you can see there, back in, and then S-bend cutting straight through middle line. Looking good, guys. You can see the shape it's going to be. Again, we've got some nice foundation here, hopefully for longevity. Keep it good for years to come. Right, I don't know if this one is the original tabletop. It's that long since I've seen DH3. Let me know in comments if this is the original one or if it was a bit further down, which I can see behind this. But it looks like it's going to be a double. Let's go down and have a closer look. See, today it's not as nice after all that rain. Oh, is that a break in clouds? It's not cold. No, they're not my footprints. So this is still on the line, the original, but again completely different. Coming round, it looks like the, again, going to use more to the space to the right and bring it back round, which is an awesome idea because it just extends the trail a little bit longer. Awesome work, JP. Don't rest you lads. He's sat in a digger designing. You got breaking your backs. Keep up the work, boys. So, I don't know what's happening here, but I will keep you guys updated. Like I said before, really appreciate it for please like and subscribe, and I will keep these coming. Again, like I said, I am an artist. I've got a kind of studio at home, and this YouTube channel will be a mixture of me painting, drawing, creating, but also My second love is mountain biking, if you're wondering. Explains why I'm making these videos as a start to something hopefully that's going to be good for my mental health and put me in a better place, but more about that another time. I've got quite a story to tell, and the reason why I've started this YouTube channel. So yeah, it's been a shit 3 years. I know COVID was a massive event for everybody. Unfortunately, I had a few other things that happened during the beginning of COVID, which, I'll put it this way, if I wasn't in hospital, a controlled environment, I won't be here now making these videos. And that's one of the reasons why. It's about second chances. And that's where KEPS abbreviation for keeping perspective about life, keeping your chin up, keep smiling, keep positive, guys. I know it's shit, life's hard, chucks you unexpected. So yep, thanks for watching, guys. See you in part 2. Goodbye.